You want to see the seeds I got in the mail? Keep watching. Hi everyone, it's Audra at Magnolia Street Garden, and I'm super excited today to show you the seeds that I got in the mail. I ordered my seeds from where I always do, from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company, and I have been waiting to open this package so I can do it with you. So, without further ado, let's see what I got. Alright, here we go. And they even remind you the bill. Not as bad as last year. This is what $80 worth of seeds looks like, folks, right here. Alright, so I'm going to tell you what I got in categories. So I organized them into categories, and the first one is flowers and things. So this is German chamomile. I grew some last year, and I really liked it, so I'm going to try that again. I even dried the flowers to be able to make the tea. This is gray poppy flowers, which I thought were just gorgeous, and I wanted to try them. And then I have 3 different varieties of marigolds. I have this one, which is called Cracker Jack Mix, Queen Sophia, and Orange Hawaii marigolds. And I use these a lot for pest control. The next category is cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. So I only got one thing of cucumbers. This is a Bait Alpha cucumber. It's supposed to be burpless. And then I got this crazy cherry tomato. It's a yellow tomato, and they literally grow like this. I grew them once before, and I really liked them. They are truly prolific, so I wanted to try that again. And then I got a Cubanelle pepper, which I also grew last year, and I loved that one a lot. Pretty prolific. This is a new one, Yellow Monster. They're supposed to be really big and yellow, which I thought was cool. And then, of course, poblanos, which I grew last year, and I love for cooking. Next category is greens. I'm super excited to try this giant red celery. And I also got some tricolored, I guess it's 5 colors, Swiss chard. And some purple bok choy, which I've grown before and really liked. Next is the peas and beans. So I have King Tut purple peas, which I grew last year, and they are literally this gorgeous purple color. I even froze some. They were great, and they grew really well. This is a new thing for me, black soybean. I don't know, never done that, so I'm going to give that a try. And a bush lima bean. Last year I grew lima beans in a bush for the first time, and it worked out really well for me, so I wanted to try that again. Next I have carrots and herbs. So lemongrass first. I really love Thai cooking, and I know you can do a lot of stuff with lemongrass, so I'm going to try that. This is one of my most favorite things I got this year. It's called dwarf moringa. Literally, you can use this plant, every single part of it, for almost everything, from tea to soups to greens to beans. You can eat the flowers, so I'm super excited to try that. And then I got 3 varieties of carrots. Black Nebula carrot, the purple dragon carrot, isn't that beautiful? And this Kyoto red carrot. So I always love to enter something in the county fair this year, and I have 3 options that I got. So these are like just for fun. I got this giant leek, and I got this radish that's, I can't even pronounce this word, but it's supposed to be a giant radish. You can see this kid and how big that radish is. And then my most favorite thing is this mammoth red beet. And so hopefully I can grow something super large and enter it in the county fair. And last thing, one of my favorite things about Baker Creek Seed Company is they always send you free stuff. So I got 4 packets of free seeds this year. I got the yellow pear tomato, purple kohlrabi, which I'm kind of excited about, this Russian red kale, and this mustard greens. Yay! So anyway, that is what $80 worth of seeds looks like. But shh, Don't tell my husband that I spent $80 on seeds. Anyway, keep watching this season to see all these things growing in my garden. And don't forget to like, love your comments, and subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.